Mason.
You all think I do.
What are you doing? Hey.
I won't be that far.
Mason. Look at the camera. Hi.
Well, then I'll go one better.
What are you doing?
Very sorry.
Oh, yeah?
I'd like to hear more. I've been working on this problem for several weeks now.
Well, it's not that complicated.
Mason.
It's his money and he's filed for it.
Mason.
I told him a whole lot of stuff I don't have.
And you pledged your company to, and that's collateral.
What are you doing?
That's on an issue.
You're making some noises.
You signed the loan papers, and there's nothing in the transaction that was illegal. I think as long as it takes Victor to get in front of the judge and have you served. Now, of course, you could fight it, which might buy you some time.
Yeah, but the outcome would be the same. Once the divorce is final, he'll have everything and I'll have nothing. I can't let that happen.
I did tell Neil several weeks ago that if Victor called in the loan, he would go to the media.
He really will, but after the hit he took with the drilling, I doubt that it'll be straight in the news.
I think it's worth a shot.
Here's how we have to think. What would Victor do?
You know, I heard something from my grandson.
Yeah, Brent.
I don't know if you want to do anything.
How might I mention something
But you couldn't because of
Mason.
family tradition.
Mason. You want to say goodbye to the camera? Mason.
I saw the way you were staring at things,
Hey, Mason.
and the real reason
Hi.
you were in this context is
What are you doing?